Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you can hear me. I have my mic on. It might bother me one moment, so we will see how this works. So here is my box where I kind of keep part of my summer wardrobe, because as you see I have really small closet, so it's just really easy when you keep actually only seasonal clothing. Even if you have a big one, I would still suggest kind of have it organized. There's one place for summer and the other place for like winter or whatever like that, because I just think it's easier when you actually need to dress up and find something. Today we are going to organize my closet. I'm going to see what I keep, what I throw out. I do the cleaning and organizing pretty often for the same reason that it is like a small, listen like this is like a natural, real people closet organization. It's not where you just look at it and dream for the clothes that you will never have, most likely. This is actually for those who have these kind of problems, this kind of closet, and you can relate to. So this channel is for relatable women, so subscribe, like, so I can create more content for you. Here's my box with summer clothing, and we're going to organize it. We're going to put summer clothing in and winter clothing out. So first I want to kind of organize this closet just by types and just get out all the stuff. This is my summer dress that I really love. It's really cute and nice. Denim shorts from Remoda that I'm happy that I found some really elegant looking. These are just normal like beach shirts. I don't like them so much. They have lost the color. However, around the house when it's really hot, it's kind of really cute. This blouse I got on Pimki on sales, and it's like pretty cute. Even though I don't wear it as much as I used to. Romper, which I will put rompers with like dresses, but this is super cute. It is a little bit too big for me now, but I still wear it. It's just super nice for like really hot weather. And then I have this dress, which is also something that is really cute, like wear if you want to wear it, I don't know, to the beach or just looking cute daily. Then you can wear this dress. Anyway, I don't have a lot of tops. I'm trying to go, oh, this dress is amazing as well. This white eyelet, I think you call it, dress. I have a lot of tops. Now I'm just throwing it everywhere. Now let's see what my closet shows. Can you even see it? I think you cannot. I think you can see me kind of now. I have these dresses, which, to be quite honest, in Latvian summer I could wear them. Here I'm not going to wear them anymore. I have another closet which is like a totally like mess and small, and it's like in a corner and all the stuff, just in case if I go somewhere where I can wear dresses like that. It's still in my eyesight, you know, it's not like it's totally put away somewhere. So I think till skirt I always leave it here. Here I can add something. This summer dress, plus next video will be interesting. I'm going to share a haul that I haven't shared with you, even though the haul is like, I got that clothing already like weeks ago, but like summer haul for petite women and what I'm going to wear this summer, and you need to see it because there will be a lot of things and really cute and really nice. I kind of want to leave this one, even though I don't think I'm going to wear it. I will need to get rid of that as well. Then this jacket, I don't know. So these are the things I'm putting away, and then these that I'm leaving here. So I have some space, some place. My black dresses. Obviously I forgot to do the before shot and after shot. Maybe I need to do it now with like a phone or something. I'm going to do that now with a phone. Even this white dress is not really summer appropriate in Spain. It's just too hot. Anything long or a little bit thicker material, even sleeves sometimes feels too much when it's 40 degrees. But I'm going to put it here. Again, if I go to somewhere colder, I don't know, maybe, but I think in Portugal it's also really hot. I will see if I leave this one, but I don't think that I should. This amazing romper. I also suggest you to just go check the local boutiques, because the most best clothing I have found in local boutiques or in like an outlets. this corset is amazing. If there's something that you see in this video and you wonder where I got it from, just ask me in the comment sections and I'm going to respond to you, obviously. Some things I'm just confused what I'm going to do, how to better do it. Now we should start with folding and just organizing the bottoms and the shirts that I have here. It's just everything's so messed up. I'm trying to put it so you can see better. I have this mess here. I hope you can hear me. You cannot see me, but I hope you can hear me. So I have this mess. These are the things that actually I should organize as well. But okay, I'll do it later. That's the whole part what I said that you need to check in the next week. Short, these Levi's, they are way too big, but I still like it was a gift. Plus I really still love them. I can just eat freely with them on. And then these ones, I think I need to have like a section like with clothes around the house, like cute clothes around the house. These are my mini skirts mostly. I think mostly mini skirts. Oh, some midi as well. I will leave some midi skirts still on, even thought again midi skirts are just too much for this weather, but who knows. Then these that sparkle, who knows. We'll leave them. These are amazing. These are really lightweighted and like satin. Those I most likely going to wear someday. These are more like spring that I need to put away. They're gorgeous, but 100% I'm not going to wear them. All of these soft, thick skirts are going away. And then I have like lightweighted skirt, which I'm happy that I got this year, like more lightweighted skirt, because I didn't really have for summer skirt like that. And now I have a few. That already feels organized, to be quite honest. A lot of different things. Shorts, these are my favorite shorts for now. They just really fit really good, from Stradivarius. Then I have these satin skirts. I want something similar but in black. They just really, I don't know, add something different. And then I have some obviously like biker shirts and undershirts, underdress shorts, I guess. These chiffon shorts are the best for summer. Like these are so simple yet so elegant and nice. These are great skirts, but I don't think I'm going to wear them. I'm thinking if I should like sell them. I don't know. I think I'm going to put them away. These satin skirts are my one of the favorite and one of the oldest, but I still wear it a lot. But again, in summer I think I should put away because okay, I'm going to leave just in case. And I have leggings. These are things that I leave here. Usually I don't put them away because you never know. Sometimes I go to campings. For that reason I usually need them. These are biker shorts as well. And then I have jeans, and the same thing. Even thought in summer I don't really wear jeans. I do see a lot of women wear jeans, but for me it's crazy that they do. It's impossible in this weather. I haven't even seen people wear in 40 degrees leather leggings, which totally crazy. Okay, the belt, putting away. Okay, I think I'm going to put them away. I have like 4 pairs, nothing a lot. I really don't like collecting clothing, to be quite honest. And maybe it is because I have nowhere to place it, but I think the other reason is just because it's just so much easier than to understand what you have, what you don't have. I'm going to less and less clothing. It's just
again, like bottoms like this I kind of leave in the closet. Because anyways, I don't really have where to put them, and plus these are just the things that if I go again somewhere, like as I said, camping and stuff, I might need to get.
By the way, jeggings, remember the time of jeggings? And this, I was just curious, and oh my god, they have pockets and they actually are thick and comfy and they feel like real jeans. Like these jeggings, if I have had them when I was like 15, I would be the first in town. The first chick in town. Looks already so much better. Complicated. I have things that I'm not sure if I need to keep them, if I don't. there's just so many tops. I think I need to understand what kind of tops I wear the most, what I need and what I don't need. Putting away sweaters, that's for sure. I wanted to put it that you can see me still. These are all like long sleeve, like turtlenecks. So totally putting that away as well. Yeah, I will leave a few long sleeve tops. Oh, I don't know where to even start. Okay, I just going to throw it all in the one corner. Have you shopped from Shein recently? I have a feeling they have way better quality. Like this top I ordered, it's just super soft. There's so many things that are softer than Amazon clothing, for example, and all that thing. So I'm just wondering, what do you think? And there's so many tops that are more like just for wearing at home. Like some lightweighted long sleeve tops I'm going to leave again for the reasons that I told you. If I go somewhere it's colder. T-shirts I really don't need to buy anymore, at least not the graphic ones. Last time I was in Latvia, I bought a lot of like Latvian t-shirts, and it's not just for it being Latvian, they actually were really like creative and fun and interesting, not the usual just made in China type and like bad quality. Now I have plenty of t-shirts like that.